conference announcing the Durga Puja. Welcome everyone on the dais.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is the year when everyone is looking forward for North Bombay Durga Puja. Samrat, beginning with you, please tell us about the North Bombay Durga Puja, the schedule, the plan ahead.
So this is our 79th year, the 79th year of our Durga Puja, and we should be getting the unveiling of our Durga Ma on the 27th evening. So that day is going to be the unveiling, and the official Durga Puja starts from 28th evening. 29th is going to be our Shaptami. 30th is our Ashtami. First of October is our Navami, and on the 2nd of October is the Dashami, where we'll have our immersion and everything. So this is the plan for the Durga Puja.
And needless to say, how much we're missing Debuda and Ansali. I'm sure we are going to be missing him throughout this tenure. Please tell us about going ahead with Durga Puja this year without Debuda firstly.
I mean, of course for me, but I think for all of us here, this year is going to definitely be marked a lot by the fact that Baba is not around this year. Because especially in the last 10-15 years, he was like so passionate about putting the puja together. So I think he's going to be in all our minds and hearts. In fact, I'm coming from doing a little puja for him today, and I think everybody here has been already very much at the forefront of organizing the puja and of keeping it going. I think I was standing a little bit more at the back because Dad was there. Now I definitely feel more responsible and a little more passionate myself to step up and do more for Durga Puja this year.
And we're looking forward for that. Tanisha,
you want me to say something
about Durga Puja, about Debuda, of course, about going ahead now.
आई थिंक ये साल बहुत ही मुश्किल होने वाला है क्योंकि हमारे फैमिली में एक नहीं 3 डेथ्स हुए हैं अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी आर इट इज़ अ फैमिली पूजा हम सब वहाँ होंगे लेकिन हम एक्चुअली पूजा में बैठ नहीं पाएंगे पहली बार बहुत डेफिनेटली बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होगा देखने के लिए वो पूरा पंडाल एंड एवरीथिंग विदाउट द स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रेजेंस जो देवू काका का पर्सनैलिटी प्रेजेंस एवरीथिंग आई थिंक हम सबको थोड़ी सी लाइक डेफिनेटली इट्स गोना बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस लेकिन वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि वंस अगेन वी आर एबल टू पुट दिस अप क्योंकि हर साल ये जो कमिटी एफर्ट डालती है ये दुर्गा पूजा बनाने में और सब कुछ एक साथ लाने में इट्स अ वेरी बिग बहुत ही बड़ा एफर्ट है एंड हम सब उसमें शामिल होते हैं ये पूरी कमेटी बहुत काम करती है एंड ये काम एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जो मेरी दादी ने शुरू किया था हमारी फैमिली आगे बढ़ा रही है तो आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी डिफ़िकल्ट बट वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि इस साल फिर हम एक पंडाल खोल सकते हैं चला सकते हैं एंड होपफुली बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे उसके लिए
Yes, ma'am.
No, nothing.
Riva members night में कुछ special
yes.
dedication है Debuda के लिए.
Yes, Debu Kaka was one and only for this Durga Puja. He is the epitome of this puja. He was himself an institution. और आज जो भी हमारा पूजा इतना बड़ा हुआ है, one of the best puja with biggest in Mumbai and of course all India also बहुत ही जल्दी आ जाएगा वो. तो it's all because of him, one man, one and only Debu Kaka. And of course he'll be missed a lot. I mean, there's no words. अभी भी हम लोग मिस ही कर रहे पर उनका आशीर्वाद है और उनके ऊपर तनिषा के ऊपर शामरदा के ऊपर हम सब पर एंड members night will be a very special night dedicated a Shraddhanjali tribute to Rono Kaka, Debu Kaka and Pishima. So this year is very difficult but the show must go on, and I think we would be happy. And Debu Kaka is always with us, giving us strength and emotionally, mentally. And Debu Kaka ke liye to kuch bhi we can do for him. I mean, he was the captain of the ship, the pillar, and the most loved Kaka, and active in Durga Puja. बचपन से this is the fourth generation, the Lahiris, that we are in the puja, and Rego is the fourth generation now. My grandfather Apresh Lahiri, Bashuri Lahiri, performed with Shashudar Mukherjee, Dadu and Dida, the great legends. Then my father, then me, my brother. Now it's Rego. So ये इतिहास चला आ रहा है, and on generations we pray to Ma Durga to give Ashirwad, to give us Shakti, strength, so that our children also take it ahead and make it bigger and bigger. That's what I really pray. Thank you so much.
We have special plans for unveiling of the Pratma this year. I would like you to shed some light on that.
Yeah, as most of you might be aware, this is the world's most followed Durga Puja. If we talk about Insta or YouTube, दुनिया भर से करोड़ों लोग अपने पूजा को फॉलो करते हैं, और इस साल हमने कुछ स्पेशल प्लान्स बनाए हैं. सबसे पहले तो जो अनवेलिंग है ऑफ द दुर्गा माँ की
Pratima.
तो we would request all of you to convey our message to the entire world that कि ये digitally भी हम unveiling करेंगे, and we expect our followers across the world to see that. The other thing is that this year we also have thought about it. We'll try to do live stream of some of the special events such as the Pushpanjali, आरती. दुनिया भर में अगेन करोड़ों बंगालीज हैं, नॉन बंगालीज हैं जो बहुत श्रद्धा से अपनी पूजा को फॉलो करते हैं. बहुत लोग शायद दुर्गा पंडाल जा भी नहीं पाते फॉर वेरियस रीजंस. इस साल वी विल ट्राई टू इंश्योर हमारे इंस्टाग्राम के थ्रू कोई भी डिजिटली हमारे ये सब पुष्पांजलि आरती देख सके. So we'll try to make this even bigger this year. This being a tribute to Devu Kaka and other members who have left us. So we'll try to make it bigger this year.
So your thoughts, please.
It's this puja started actually in my uncle's house, in Mr. Shashidhar Mukherjee's house, at the first year. That was much before I was born, 79 years ago. And then I moved to Podar School. I grew up with this puja in Podar School. It was a very small puja at that time. We used to sit, a few of us on the floor, and people used to serve and so on and so forth. And I think from there, the one who wanted to make it much bigger and bigger was Devuda. And so it graduated from Podar School, went to Balkanji Badi. We ran there, the puja there for a few years. फिर वहाँ से हम गए ट्यूलिप स्टार होटल, वहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट 8-9-10 साल हम वहाँ पे थे. वहाँ पे पूजा और बड़ा होता गया. Now we have come to SNBT College. First of all, we are very grateful to all the authorities of the Education Ministry of Maharashtra as well as the management of SNBT College कि वो हमें परमिशन दिए हैं वहाँ पे पूजा करने का. बट ये दूसरा साल वहाँ पे होगा. अब पूजा और बड़ा हो गया है, and we get about पूरा कुल मिला के 5 लाख लोग आते हैं. कुल मिला के हम ऑलमोस्ट 20,000 लोगों को खाना खिलाते हैं, भोग खिलाते हैं, which I think is very unique. और कोई पूजा है नहीं पूरे दुनिया में जहाँ पे ऐसा होता है. So I think this puja has now become a landmark. और शुरुआत बहुत छोटे से हुआ था, लेकिन ये अभी now it has become the largest puja in the city. Has become the most followed, most high-profile puja in the world. तो हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी यही है कि हम ये पूजा को बहुत अच्छे तरह से करें, और all arrangements have been made, and it will be a very nice. जैसे कि सभी कह रहे थे कि this is in memoriam of gentleman who has passed away, of my sister who has passed away, but definitely we want to make it a very happy memory for them and institution which they will be remembered by.
Of course.
So yes.
Thank you. And what are your memories of growing up on North Bombay Durga Puja, as a child till today?
Oh, I used to be obsessed with Can you all hear me clearly?
Yes, yes.
I don't need this, no?
Yeah.
Actually, I was more involved and more obsessed with Durga Puja when I was younger than I think when I started getting more busy with my work. I think for a lot of children who grow up in the Durga Puja, it is just an absolutely fantastic experience. It's just so much fun, serving bhog, um, all the Onjali, Pushpanjali that happens, participating in it, uh, the feeling of Ma Durga everywhere. It's just a unbelievable feeling. Those 5 days of the year were like a festival, which was just amazing. Going home, coming back for evening entertainment. So I think even I discovered a little, later on how deeply Durga Puja is embedded in my mind and heart. So it is very close to me personally. Uh, of- then, of course, because of dad and all of this. But I do feel that this cultural tradition that we are helping to continue
Of course.
Is also very important in general for our society, for our city, for our culture. I see a lot of value in keeping uh, this kind of tradition going on because it keeps something which is very intrinsic to our country and our culture alive by doing it. It's very we could just as easily not do it.
Very true.
But then these traditions, these things gradually disappear. So now I think of it a little bit more from that perspective. I feel we do have a responsibility to keep it going. It spreads an energy out there which keeps things alive, a sense of community alive, which is very important. And actually, I think for my dad also, that was actually what the Durga Puja was about. It was more about bringing family and community together than only a religious festival. Yeah.
Nisha.
Oh wow. Can everybody hear me? I also don't need the mic now.
That's okay. Yes.
Yeah. So basically, the Durga Puja for me has always been, it's always been about my dad. It's just always been about my dad. मेरे पिताजी जो थे, he was, वो हमें हमेशा like he used to insist, नहीं, you and Kajal will come, you will give Pushpanjali and we will give it together. He would fast. वो wait करते थे कि जब तक हम नहीं आए, वो खाना नहीं खाते थे. उनका पहला मील होता था the भोग lunch. It was just such a like insistence on his part क्योंकि वो इतना उसमें माँ में believe करते थे. In fact, today I'm wearing his pendant also, which is Ma's pendant. So it was, for me, Durga Puja has always been like this symbol to my dad, and now of course to Devi Kaka. It's like, I don't know, it's their gift to us. What they would take us there and make us experience this Durga Puja, and I experienced it through my dad. मेरा पूरा experience जो था मेरे पिताजी के थ्रू था, and वो ऐसे मुझे याद है मम्मी हमेशा जब भी छोटा पंडाल होता था पोदार स्कूल में, हम जमीन पे केले के पत्ते लगाते थे and we used to feed, भोग used to be served like that. It was beautiful and we used to get, सब बच्चे इतने excited होते थे, नहीं मैं खिचड़ी पकड़ूंगी, मैं and till now
रसगुल्ला,
अब तक हम सब बहनें इस पे ही बातें करती रहती हैं कि हम मीठा सर्व करेंगे, हम खिचड़ी. एंड शौनका हमेशा मुझे बोलता है नहीं खिचड़ी इज टू हेवी फॉर यू. आई एम लाइक नो शौनका, आई डू वेट लिफ्टिंग एंड ऑल, कम ऑन आई टेक द
बेगुन भाजा.
तो ये सब दीज आर द फन हैप्पी childhood memories that we have. And of course my mother used to insist every Durga Puja हमारा जो stalls लगता था, the stalls that you, even when it was small, जब ये छोटा भी था ना, तभी भी stalls लगते थे. And mom used to insist, she used to bully dad. She'd be like, you have to buy me a Bengali sari, a Dhakai Bengali sari. So till today, my mom buys me, Kajal, Bengali saris every Durga Puja. It's like, it's tradition, yeah.
Wow.
Because dad used to do it every year
Imagine.
for her. He would he would get bullied, of course, because he'd be like, हमेशा थोड़ा सा bullying होता था वहाँ. But it was just, it was like these are the moments, and I think life is just a series of beautiful moments. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
See, Devu Gaga was my mentor, and I learned a lot under him, especially during the Durga Puja, because as a kid, for us it was the biggest, you can say, get together or it was festival, and we enjoyed it a lot. It was the place where all the family, the friends, and it was a place where we could make new girlfriends. So it was a very important place for all of us. But anyway, so Devu Gaga was there on every step. We were under him. He was the mountain, and we never thought that a day will come
Yes.
when the responsibility which he had on his shoulder will fall on our shoulders. And even till last year, when Devu Gaga was there, we were very happy to do the other things, but we were very secured and safe that this mountain of a man is there, and the
Yes,
puja
so
will
true.
go on very well. It is going to reach its peak.
One
We'll have a
man show.
fantastic puja.
Totally.
Because when he stood there and the way he conducted everybody, that is the reason today that this Durga Puja has reached this height.
Only because of him.
There were times when getting the Durga Ma and for the immersion, we used to have so much of, our heartbeat used to go for a toss because Devu Gaga always, every year he wanted a bigger idol. So the idols every year started becoming bigger and bigger, and it came to a point where even 50 people couldn't lift it. And I remember Devu Gaga should think that next year how we are going to do the immersion or how we are going to get the idol to the pandal. Then he started thinking, and it was because of him. Today the idol comes on a forklift. We had the biggest immersion because we are the only people who could do the immersion in Juhu Beach with a crane. Durga Ma's idol used to go up in the sky, but like about 50 feet high. Everybody should see it, and then the immersion used to happen. So all these innovative ideas he got. He lived in this Durga Puja in such a way that even towards the last few days, when we were interacting, he used to only talk about the Durga Puja being like the way it is. He always wanted it bigger. For him, the show should go on, and that is the reason why many people thought that this year we have lost three of our pillars. My father, Devu Kaka, my Pishima. But it was his wish that the show should go on. It will still be the biggest Durga Puja of the country, and this core team is working on it. Every member of our Durga Puja committee is working very hard to see that this year we will have the biggest Durga Puja. We have a beautiful theme this year of Pashupatinath temple.
Wow.
So I feel this year is going to be a very landmark puja, even though the pillars are not there, but definitely the spirit of Devu Gaga is there to guide us.
Of course.
And
Blessings.
everybody will be missing him standing there on the stage and guiding us.
But as you said, you always wanted the show to go on, and that's how we are here, and we are making it bigger and better, and all your efforts together. I'd like to know about the Pushpanjali, the timings for people to come from home, medical facilities.
Yeah.
We shall be announcing it, through our Instagram handle. So we will ensure that people know about the timings well in advance, right? And as I mentioned, we will be of course posting lots of reels and all, but more importantly, this time we'll do something special. So rest assured, we shall be announcing. We would request all the viewers to closely track our Instagram handle. All the information will be available on that.
So Pushpanjali as always will be around 10, 10:30, 11. That is the right time for Pushpanjali. And the vote will be roughly between 12 to 3. But like Manak said, please track the Instagram for the precise timing, but I'm giving you generic timings when the events will take place. These are the two critical ones. As far as the Shondi Pujo and the Aarti is concerned, please, that will be announced on Instagram because those specific timings are very important. I don't want to go wrong by giving average or approximate timings. So please track that.
And the medical facilities.
Look, this is a very large puja and it is our responsibility to the entire community and to all the people who come that they are safe and so we have all kinds of backups, right, from fire engines to all kinds of emergency medical facilities, of course, places to lie down, separate queues for senior citizens, separate places to sit for senior citizens, golf carts for longer distances so that they don't have to walk and they don't get tired. So we have made every provision possible for managing very large crowds. We just hope that everyone is safe and everyone is responsible and enjoys the pujo.
Just to add to that, we have a huge force, whose job is to ensure that the pujo is, absolutely clean, right? So that's our duty. And also just to let you know, we this time, just like last year, we have a force of ex-NSG commandos, etc. Who would be ensuring that right from safety to cleanliness, everything is taken care of. Right. So that's one part. The other thing is that talking about again going back to the timings, we'll try to also live stream some of the special highlights such as the Dhumuchi Nachima. Now that is something it's difficult to predict right now, and which is why we we would request people to keep track of Insta and so that we let people know well in advance so that they can enjoy the festivities sitting anywhere in the world.
What are performers this
The performers are. See, Members' Night is the Shraddhanjali tribute to our ancestors, the Kaka and two Kakas and Ishima, and where the members are giving special tribute that night. A small tribute like dancing in his songs. They're going to show AVs of Debu Kaka as an artist because he was not only in puja, he was a very good artist and a big artist, from ages. So a lot of members are going to dance on his song, sing, as well as we're going to show the AVs of all three, their what work they have done, and what they were actually. And then we are going to present the songs and all, and then Shominder and all there, he's going to perform from Calcutta. Shaptami, on the Shaptami, yeah.
There's Shorendra,
Shomji.
who are coming in from Calcutta, but they sing Bengali songs, they sing Hindi songs.
Yeah, they're very popular, very, very popular. Then Pritam Da, of course.
Pritam will be performing.
Ashtami and Shilpa Rao.
Shilpa Rao is Navami.
Navami. So we are having a strong entertainment, what Debu Kaka always wanted, that we should work on the entertainment, and so it's this year also it's not less. I mean, his blessings are there and we have worked hard. So
Before we go ahead and take the questions from everyone, we would like to pay our tribute and homage to Devuda, to Sushma and to
Rano Kaka.
by a silence of 60 seconds.
Arey baap re, bahut.
First of all, namaskar to everyone and to all. This puja has been very close to my heart, and because मेरे ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर श्री अपरेश लाहिरी जी और मेरे ग्रैंडफादर श्री पप्पी लाहिरी जी और मेरी मम्मा मामा हम सब इस पूजा के पार्ट हैं. और देबू दादू हैज़ बिन द एपिटोम ऑफ आवर नॉर्थ बॉम्बे दुर्गा पूजा, और हर चीज़ में उनका एक प्रेजेंस था. ही वाज अ पिलर इन आवर पूजा. और आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट लास्ट ईयर मैं और पापा जब हम लोग ग्राउंड पे गए थे पंडाल देखने के लिए, तो अकेले रात को 12 बजे देबू दादू अकेले लाइटिंग अरेंज कर रहे हैं, और ही वाज जस्ट लाइक अ पिलर ordering everyone to do stuff, and to
Leadership.
like his leadership skills were impeccable, and I really miss him a lot, and I really miss his presence in Ashtami, and when I used to play Dhak in the Aarti, he used to always dance with me, and everyone used to enjoy. But I really miss Debu Dadu a lot, Rono Dadu and Pishima. And this year puja is going to be a very nice puja, because Debu Dadu used to always say show must go on, and we should continue doing our puja in a much better, bigger way as how they wanted it to be. And I know Debu Dadu, Rono Dadu, and Pishima's blessings are always with us. And I've been singing in this puja since when I was a child with my granddad, with my mama, with my mum, solo.
Started singing. Pehla
Yeah.
sa.
So this puja is very special to me, and it has a very special place in my heart, and I will always be a part of this puja, and we'll take this puja together forward. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We just want to photo and
One little thing, and one more little thing I want to share कि our दुर्गा माँ is very auspicious, very जागृत है, और जिन्होंने भी इस स्टेज पे मंच पे उनके मंच में गाया है, कुछ भी किया है, वो आज सबसे बड़े बड़े दिग्गज लोग हो गए हैं इंडस्ट्री में. क्योंकि जब हमने पोद्दार स्कूल में शुरू किया था, तब मैं नाम नहीं बताऊंगी, बहुत से आज के जो बड़े बड़े हैं मेंबर्स आके एक एक गाना 2-2 गाना गा के गए. नेम इट, मतलब ह्यूज, मतलब 20-25 लोग हैं, पर इतना जागृत है माँ कि इनका आशीर्वाद जिसको अगर मिल जाए तो मिल गया, बस उसको पीछे देखने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. सो शी इज़ अ लिविंग and she comes in life when all the puja and Pushpanjali is done, especially on Ashtami, and she is given us everything. Whatever today we are is only because of Ma Durga. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.